Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Instruction Spring 2025 BTC and final exam. So if you want to complete Excel projects, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Section 8 lets us create a folder on the desktop complete to save the Excel exam files and left click your mouse on the blank area of your laptop on the desktop screen. Press the right button of your mouse and you see and move the you new and so next is click a folder it's open and last name first name folder and press enter and finally you will upload the file after the solving and for me to grades and signing into blackboard's retrieve instruction from the exam and sign into your class in blackboard and online final exam spring 2025 and following this. So we move to the main instruction files and so main instruction file is BTCE final exam BTEC final exam Rubric spring to the 2025 version 3 CMAT sales and sale. So we move to the main step main project step is project instruction is wherever version is to the text store instruction open the Excel file you saw a final exam tab. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the final exam plus IT assessment spring 2025. So we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is number 1 in the cell F2 enter your last name and first name in the cell FV2 type your full name in the cell F2. So go to the cell F2 and type the first name and last name. Next is so question number 1 is complete and we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in a cell B5 use a function to convert the products category A5 to proper case copy the function down column B31. So select the cell is B5 and use the function to convert the product category in proper area proper case and copy the function down the column B31. So select the cell is B5 and type is equal to and insert the proper function and select the cell is A5 close bracket and press enter. So next is copy the function down the column B31. So copy the function and so question number 2 is complete and we can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is so question number 3 is We expected it. We expect the each products will ship in a specific number of days in a cell H5. Use the VLOOKUP if function, display the expected date to ship, and look up the products category in cell A5. A5 in the VLOOKUP table starting P5 to find the associated numbers to days the expected to ship. Second column of the VLOOKUP table, copy the function down through and copy the function down through column. In the cell, we expected to the products and specific number of days in cell H5. So select the cell is H5, H5 and insert the VLOOKUP function is function to display the expected days to ships. Look up the products category in the cell A5 VLOOKUP table and starting the P5 to find the associated numbers expect to ship the second column of the VLOOKUP table. So select the cell H5, type is equal to and type the VLOOKUP function. So insert the VLOOKUP functions in the cell F5. H5 and VLOOKUP function. Select the cell is A5. The cell is A5 and comma and P5 to Q8. P5 to Q8. P5 to Q8. Apply the comma and type a 2 and type the false. And close bracket and press enter. So the result is 4. And copy the formula in the cell H5 to H31. So question number 3 is complete. Question number 3 is complete and we can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, in I5 use the is function to determine its took more the time than expected process and ship the order if the days to ship G5 is more than expected days to ship H5 display yes and otherwise display no and copy the formula down through column C. In a cell I5 is the if function. In cell I5 is the if function and if took more time than expected process and ship the order if the days to shift G5 more than expected this and yes, otherwise the no, and copy the formula down through column. In a cell I5, so select the cell is I5 and insert the if functions. If function determine if two more time than expected process and ship order. So type is equal to and type the if function. If function in cell G5 greater than H5 like comma and type the inverted commas and type a yes the comma and type the inverted commas, type a no and close bracket and press enter. So the result is no. And copy the formula down through column and copy the formula. So question number 4 is complete and we can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is we offer discounts on the sale during this time calculations the discount amount in a cell M5 as the subtotal L5 multiplied by discount rate and copy the formula down through column and know the absolute side reference minus 2. We offering the discounts during this time and calculate the discount amounts M5 as the subtotal L5 multiply by discounts rates and side reference and 3 copy the formula down through column. So select the cell is L5 M5 and type is equal to and select the cell is J column in J5 multiply by K5 and press enter. So the result is 7.68 and multiply by the discount rates K5 multiplied by L5. And copy the formula. So copy the formula in cell M5 to M31. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Excel projects, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.